Alright my people, welcome back. So in the morning here with the pan the driveway here. So make a start. So we have some small tile, different size, you know. The color the same thing, different color. So as you can see it, make a pattern. So it will work with in the morning, yeah. So we have a whole lot of driveway here, so now right down the line. So as you can see the size of the tile them. So you have 1, 2, 3. You have a small one. 4 size. The color the same. Yeah, so I take a little stroll night. It's a different color, different size. So I'm kind of an idea. So as I say, we're in the open, sun hot. We have to make a little makeshift tent. So I have a tent. I set up something to use here now. The sun my boil. Yeah, so as I say, take time I go along. So this now when you're done with it, you have to seal it. Yeah. But as we go along step by step, we'll see where I go on. Yeah. And we'll see the finished product. Yeah, so as I said, different size of tile, different color, you know, make it interesting. The pattern nice, you know, random laying. So alright my people, so which part we're there now? Yeah, so tile look good. Yeah, so as I say, we're trying to run out the driveway here. Yeah. So what I gotta do now? So when we're done, we're going to change a straight line on this. Cut it go right down there. So there you go on. Yeah, that's what we can do with it. So as you can see it, looking good. Different size. Yeah. So as I say, once it's done, it's a seed. Yeah. So that time you will see beauty of it when it's sealed. Yeah, so take time up on. Not look too bad an idea. So we left two in front of the garage. So once the garage tile out, you can drop in them two over there. Left it with the garage tile. Yeah. So I'm gonna say we take time to go on. You know. Yeah, looking good so far. As you can see. As I said, the size them different. 4 different size. So take time draw them out an idea. I don't know if we can reach before the day done, but you know. Yeah, we'll take time to do it thing. me say this. I was string a line from this and cut this straight. Yeah. So alright my people, they are up and running. Yeah. So we're up on the driveway here. Yeah, so as you can see, everything look nice and sweet. So we are cover grounds. Yeah, so right now we are lined up to go straight across. So down here, so as been shown already, right down to the road. Yeah, so tile there. So that tile carries 6 different size. 6 different size of tile. Yeah, now look over there, so see there are 4 size there, so. Alright. Them 2 long ones look like the same, but one longer and one. Yeah, so we have 6 size. See this? So watch out now. 1, 2, 3. We have 4 there, so. All different size. So let me say 6 different size in it. So line up here now. Take it cross over this. So that's the plan. Go straight across. Right to the entrance of the house there, so now. I kind of break it still. Yeah, I hope that's now. Square up half of the house. Yeah, so as we go, looking good. Yeah. So the square up half of the garage. So the chance we have a little shed, sonnet and thing, everything are going. Yeah, so we look good. Running. Driveway look nice and sweet. I'll miss that I go right out. Alright my peeps, so with the pony. Yes, see me up on the driveway here. So as I can see, yeah, tile lay. Yeah, driveway look nice and sweet. Yeah, so we are work away. The tile spread out. So it's when this done, I will do a complete video upon the finished product. Yeah. All of this, yeah. I got seal, clean up, seal, so that time you will see beauty of it.
I wonder. Once I wonder if I call chat your video, they know why I upload this, they will charge him for copyright.
Then one little music now playing on my background, what do you have no over little Cayman? They give video copyright no.
Eh?
When you up a bar, they not play that, you know. Copyright no.
Eh.
I
get copyright.
You see little music and you hardly can hear it. So in the background.
And then songs on your feet.
YouTube. Yeah, so as I say, we are going all the way right through. Right up there. Going right now the house. The rest of the driveway gone way through. Eh? Eh? I know say thing like no, but you hey, if you have to put your heels for here. No matter how you turn up it. Yeah, so.
Watch it. Oh, I'm see when you go so. Boom. There you go. Yeah, man, a pearl. It's a pearl or something. Yeah, man. What? Funky. Yeah, you're trying to remember if I funky, me really see. You don't really see everything, you know. But my you see the funky there too. Sit down, go and watch it funky. Sit down now, watch it. Come to one. All the you know, it's like
What?
Watch it, let them watch it.
Yeah, so there an idea now. You know, Punsi there as usual. You know, all the while the people might say Punsi there. Yes, so. As we say we are going. So we'll try to clear up the driveway here. Yeah, so everything look good so far. Yeah, so as I say, driveway look nice and everything. Yeah. So as I say, I will go in a separate video on this thing when it's done. Yeah, when it's done and sealed up. Yeah, so that time I will see real beauty of it. Alright, my peeps, so this is the turn we are talking about. So this, see this? Yeah, so this is the turn. Come here, so now, straight down the line. The reason for that turn here is when you come here, so when you come here, so now, this have to look straight in front of the house. So, these are the reason for this turn. So what will happen now? We are going to have one more turn again. So this is going to come somewhere about here, so. So when you come and say I'm going to make a next turn. What really happened with this again, that are the road. So this is a tile away. I go straight to the road. I go run like so, crossway so, the giant. So this have a straight giant come right up to anywhere half up here so. So you have a next turn in it again. From right there, so. Somewhere off here, so. And next turn I go there. Straighten up. Yeah. So, this is my people, so we take time to go on. Yeah. Run out some tile. So, we'll catch that part here. So that part is square with the house. You know, so this will go straight up. Right up there. Yeah. So, yeah, nice and sweet. Looking good so far. Yeah, man. Say swing. But this is on the line off of this, you know. One straight line I come across. It's alright, my people, so the driveway. Yeah, so as I can see with the panny. Yes, sun hot in the evening. Yeah, so complete a lot, you know. Knock out a portion of it. Yeah, so up and running. So we have all of them places with a cut. Yeah, so we just run our tile right now. As I say, a lot of cutting to do on it. We have all of them turn off a cut out, make the round. Yeah, so I'm going to be a straight go right up the line. So all of them have a cut. Yeah, so. Yeah, so as I can see, portion of the driveway done, almost done. Officer was 90% complete. Yeah, so all of them places as I see, I go cut and straighten up. Yeah, so that's the end of the evening sun. Yeah, so this is one of the first break we make. Yeah, the first turn. Yeah, so as I go along. So this is now I go right up to the doorway there, so. Right up this side this I go. So this is our next turn. To get it straight with the road again. So we'll leave a turn on it. Yeah, so. Yeah, so the right, that's how we'll make the next break. So this is the next break here, so. Give it a turn here, so again. So all of them there I will cut out. As I said, the round I will cut out when we're done. Yeah, straighten it up, round it up. Yeah, so down the line. So we have that little part that we want to knock out in the evening, yeah. So we can get it right down to the road. Yeah, we take time to go on. So we go right down to the road. So the turn we make here so now. This turn away is to make here so. You have to straighten it up with the road again. You know, this is the design with them I work with. So at the end of the day, yeah, that's how we have to do. Yes, the tile I run out. So I'll cover all grounds. Yeah, so as you can see, right through. The place look nice and sweet. Yeah, so this is how I just try to spear up the road, you know. Yeah, so head on to down here, so we can get it spear up with the road.